We started Life's Grape as a continuation of our business. We've been growing for 35 years, and when we started planting the Selma peat, it changed our own family's perception of raisins. Everyone joked and laughed because our family wouldn't eat raisins, but when we started doing the Selma peat, it converted us. And when we realized how great the quality was, we wanted to share it with the world. So we ended up buying the processing facility in 2015 to make it more accessible and not just be blended in with everyone else's raisins. We wanted it to become a vine-dried grape. And so Life's Grape was launched in 2018, and our goal and mission is to introduce people to a high-quality vine-dried grape, reintroduce you to nature's candy and the amazing benefits that raisins and vine-dried grapes alike have. They're great for your dental health, quick bursts of energy, they taste delicious, and they're very low calorie, so they're a great substitute to your sugary candy in the afternoon. While they taste equally as delicious coming straight out of the vineyard, my favorite way is through Life's Grape Peanut Butter Dipped. It is our newest flavor, our most innovative flavor, and we're very proud of it. It tastes just like a peanut butter jelly, something that's never been done before, but it's my sweet, salty little afternoon snack.